Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your default email app to Gmail on your iPhone. First things first, make sure you have the Gmail app already installed on your iPhone. Got it? Great. Now, head over to your iPhone Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the section for your apps. Tap on that. In the Apps section, look for the Gmail application. Found it? Click into it. Okay, almost there. Now, you'll see an option labeled Default Email App. Tap on that. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of available email apps. Choose Gmail. Make sure it's ticked. Alright, you're all set. You can now exit out of the system settings. Gmail is now your default email app. Now you can use your iPhone just like you normally would, and all your default email links will automatically open in the Gmail app. And that's it. That's how you change your default mail app to Gmail on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.